In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a YouTube playlist on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the removal so the playlist is gone from your account. First, open your browser and head to youtube.com. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles. You'll know you're signed in if you can see your profile picture at the top right. If not, click Sign In and enter your details. Now, look to the top left of the page. If the sidebar isn't visible, click the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon, to open it. This expands YouTube's main navigation so you can quickly get to your library. From here, select Playlists. If you don't see a direct playlists option, go to You, then choose View All. This shows a full list of your collections. You should now see all the playlists you've created or saved, displayed with their titles and thumbnails. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the playlist you want to remove. This is important because once you remove a playlist, the collection itself is deleted from your account. Don't worry. This does not delete the individual videos from YouTube. It only removes the playlist that groups them together. Find the playlist you want to remove and move your cursor to it. To the right of the playlist name, you'll see a three-dot icon labeled More. Click that. A small menu will open with options for managing the playlist. Choose Remove Playlist. YouTube will ask you to confirm. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions. In the confirmation prompt, click Remove from Playlist to finalize. After you confirm, the playlist disappears from your list, and it won't show up in your library anymore. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page. Also, if you're removing a playlist that was saved from someone else's channel, the removal simply unsaves it from your library. If it's a playlist you created, removing it deletes that playlist entirely from your account. Again, the original videos remain available on YouTube unless you own them and choose to delete those separately. That's it. You've successfully removed a YouTube playlist on desktop. Remember, double-check the playlist name before confirming and make sure you're in the right account. If you ever change your mind later, you'll need to recreate the playlist manually, so it's worth confirming you no longer need it before you remove it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.